Welcome to Blooming Buds channel. Learn, explore and grow with Blooming Buds.
We are going to talk about tree. It is a tree of life. What all does it provide? Let's have a look. A tree is a home. How is it a home? Let's have a look. Trees are home to many creatures. A tree is full of life. Birds, animals, reptiles, insects live and thrive on trees. Some animals and birds such as owls, squirrels, parakeets, woodpeckers, macaws and hornbills. Where do they live? They live in the hollows of the trees. Some insects such as bees build their beehives on branches. Wood ants and beetles live under the loose bark of the tree. Spiders build their webs between the branches and trunk of the trees. Some animals such as badgers, foxes, rabbits and rats, where do they live? They live in burrows and holes that are built near the roots of the trees. Trees are also home to reptiles such as snakes. Animals such as tree frogs and chameleons are also found on trees. Butterflies lay their eggs under the leaves of the tree. The branches of trees are home to so many birds. What do birds do? Birds build their nests on the branches and sometimes hanging off tree branches. So trees provide a home to animals and birds. Tree as a source of food. Trees provide food in form of fruits and insects that live in the trees too, for the birds to eat. How interesting, isn't it? Some animals eat the fruits, leaves and bark of the tree. The tree provides food to the animals and birds. Tree is a shelter. Shelter to whom? Let's find out. Animals sit on branches to rest or to escape predators. Birds sit on branches to rest their wings when they're tired of flying and they want to rest. They sit on the branches to take some rest. So the tree provides shelter and place of rest for animals and birds. Let's have a look at how a panther and leopard are resting on the branches of a tree. Some animals such as koalas, sloths, panthers, jaguars and leopards sleep in the branches of the trees. Look at the sloth sleeping. Look at the koala sleeping. So these animals sleep in the branches of the trees. And do you know some animals like orangutan, they make a nest on the tree to sleep. A tree is a playground. Playground? How is it a playground? Can you all think, how can a tree be a playground? Think. Let's see. Monkeys and sloths hang from the tree branches. The tree provides practice for the animals to swing from its branches. Let's see how the animals swing from one branch to the other. Tree, an air purifier. Trees create oxygen and purify the air that we breathe. Breathe in, everybody. What are you breathing in? Oxygen. And the trees give out oxygen and they take in all the carbon dioxide that we exhale. Let's breathe in. Breathe out. What are you breathing out? Carbon dioxide. And who takes all this carbon dioxide? The trees and plants. Tree, a nourisher. Dead leaves from trees help to provide food and nutrition to the soil and other plants. The dead leaves, what does it provide? Food and nutrition to the soil and other plants. Tree, a provider. Trees provide ingredients for medicines and spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, pepper, mustard, and many more. A tree is full of life. It is a home to animals, birds, insects, reptiles. It provides shelter. It is a source of food. It is a nourisher. It is a provider. It is an air purifier. It is a playground. It is so many things. That is why we say a tree is full of life. Thank you. The end.